So, first of all, come to know what is a clause. Here, you are watching on the board, clause is written. Clause. And this is the second video of the phrases and clauses part 2. Here you are watching part 2 written. So now, one thing comes in our mind when somebody says, what is a clause? So, here I am going to give a short or brief description about clause. See, clause is a part of sentence. It is a part of sentence. For being a clause, one subject and one verb is required. First of all, you have to keep in your mind that for being a clause, one subject and one verb is required. Another one brief definition of clause is also that a clause is a sentence within a sentence. A clause is a sentence within a sentence. Little bit confusing now? Okay, let's see here. First, what is a clause? Clause is a part of sentence. This is the first thing. That it is not a whole sentence, but it is a part of a sentence. Okay? Now, next, a sentence within a sentence. A sentence within a sentence. Next, it needs a subject and a verb. A clause needs one subject and a verb. So, with the help of example, we will come to know all these things. Now, another thing also come in our mind, that how many types of clause are there? Children, basically, there are two types of clause. One is independent clause and next one is dependent clause. So that part of sentence which clarify its meaning itself. Again, I am repeating for you, that part of sentence which clarify its meaning itself, it is independent clause, while that part of sentence which does not clarify its meaning itself, but it depends upon the others, that is called what? That is dependent clause. That is dependent clause. So here it is written, you can see here, independent clause. Independent clause which clears its meaning itself. That is independent clause. And dependent clause which depends upon other part of sentence to clear its meaning. That is dependent clause. Now come to the examples. See here. First, you are watching on the board, clause is there, one arrow is here and another one is here. It is clarifying the parts of clause. See, the first one is independent clause. The first one part of the clause is independent clause, and here you can see the second one part is the dependent clause. The second one part is the dependent clause. Now we are coming to the example and clarify ourselves that how and which part of the sentence is dependent and which part of the sentence is independent clause. Okay? Have a look here. In example number 1 you are watching, it is written, I saw a man who was blind. Here it is written, I saw a man who was blind. Here, who was blind, it is a part of sentence. That means this sentence got two parts. I saw a man is the one part, and who was blind is second part. Now you have to think in your mind, since you have already identified. So a clause is what? One subject and one verb. So here, who is the subject and was is the verb? And in this sentence, I is the subject and was is the verb. So this part, suppose this part is not written on the board. Only who was blind is written. What is the meaning of who was blind? Whether it was an animal or any human being, it is not clearing its meaning itself. Okay, that's why it is a dependent clause. We can denote it with these. Now suppose this part is not written on the board. Only it is written, I saw a man. Now think yourself that whether this part of the sentence or this part or this particular groups of words is clearing its meaning itself or not. Okay? Now see, I saw a man. Definitely, it is clearing itself. I saw a man. So it is what? This part is independent clause which we denote with I. Now come to the next example. It seems that it rains. In the next example you are watching, it is written, it seems that it rains. Here, that it rains. And here it seems. When we divide this sentence into two parts, we have what? That it rains. It is the subject here, and rains is the verb here. And it is again subject here, and seems is the verb here. So we have got two clauses. So one clause is dependent and another one is dependent. Okay, so independent clause is that clause which is clearing its meaning itself. It seems. It is clearing its meaning. Now that it rains, that means this part is depending upon this part. That's why this is dependent clause. And this is independent clause. Okay, children? Now come to the third example. Here, I could not come. I could not come. I could not come. Why I could not come? Because I was ill. Because I was ill. From here, because I was ill, it is not clearing its meaning itself. It is depending upon I could not come. So I could not come is independent clause, and because I was ill, it is your dependent clause. Okay? Now the last example here. If you labor hard, if you labor hard, you will get success. If we divide this sentence into two parts, we find the one part is if you labor hard, and the next part is you will get success. So we are finding that you will get success. This part of the sentence is totally independent. Why? Because it is clearing its meaning itself. That's why it is independent clause. Okay? Independent clause. And now, if you labor hard, it is not clearing its meaning fully itself. It is depending upon this one part. So it is what? Dependent clause. I hope, children, you must have gone through this class very punctually and seriously. No, not become serious up to that point. Don't think that kind of serious. Seriously means paying full concentration. Okay? So, in this video, you learnt about the clause. You also come to know that a clause needs a subject and a verb. Second thing you come to know that a clause has two parts. One is independent clause